All right, we've got these amazing 16-piece animal coloring masks with 24 colors. As you can see, I just colored this mask. It's an elephant mask. All it took was 2 colors, but you got 24 colors right here. Let me just pull one of these out so you can see just how they look. So this is the way one of them looks right here. Pull that off. That's the tip right there. Color right onto the mask. And you've got all sorts of different masks. So I've got the elephant, you've got tiger masks, you've got ladybug masks, you've got lion, you've got all sorts of different masks, 16 total masks. Along with 16 of these, which wrap around your head and come through here. As you can see, this is wrapped around. Pull it off really quick just so you can see. It's wrapped around right there, and it's nice and it's got a nice stretch to it. So that's a nice vibe. But great, this is gonna be great for kids. Great for adults as well. Why not? Highly recommend.